Greetings and welcome to All in One Perspective. How are your thoughts connections today? Okay, my name is adrianapvillalobos. Today I'm going to show you how manifestation works and the best strategic strategies and how to apply it on your daily life. Are you stuck on attracting the opposite of what you want? What is the exact system on attracting exactly what you want every moment? Watch this video for your seeking answers and for the best self-development advice. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. Goodness gracious, much better. Okay. If your focus is on the fact why you do not have what you badly desire and cannot figure out why you cannot get a clear image of what you want and not the absence of it, by the end of this video, you will have the full comprehension of manifestation with a system in place that can be your go-to guide for manifesting the presence of what you want. I and millions of thousands of other people have proven this system works. And now it's your turn. Oh, and be sure to look at the description box for further research links of where I found some of the content and put bits and pieces together for you guys. So, let's get started, shall we? Right about now. Manifestation meaning an event, action, or object that clearly shows or embodies something, especially a theory or an abstract idea. According to Google, the power of manifestation is effective and real. Manifestation means that you unleash the potentials of the power of your mind to materialize your desires in life. This can be done through the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that whatever you think will manifest into your reality. But now, how can this actually work scientifically wise? Well, oh, hi, wait, can you come and explain it? Oh, me? Yeah, sure. Okay, so how it actually works in the world of science, specifically in quantum physics. Well, let's go back when scientists started tearing apart physical matter. They found particles called atoms, thinking that atoms were the building blocks of the universe. Well, it turns out that there are even smaller particles within the atom called subatomic particles. Then scientists did an experiment called the double slit experiment to figure out these so-called subatomic particles and how they work. Where they took a particle accelerator, basically a gun, for shooting these very, very tiny particles, and the observer scientists would watch it. And what they found out is that the subatomic particles can be a wave and a particle. Wave meaning it was a non-physical, it was in an energy state. Particle meaning it was in a physical state, meaning solid material. So it can be both at the same exact time. They make up everything. Everything is in an energy state and in a physical state. So the observation of the scientists is what allowed it into either a physical state, a particle, or a non-physical state, wave energy. It's called the observer effect. Your consciousness creates reality. What is consciousness manifestation? It's the base of your intention, where your observation happens at your will. Manifestation is not about your effort, but being focused on what you want. Intention gives a clear direction to your desire. By being focused, you say to the energy where it should go. Okay, so I heard this reference in a show within Gaia. I don't know exactly who to give credit to, and it's this. Shifting the consciousness within 5 levels of manifestation. So I'm going to tell you guys 5 levels of manifestation using the ice cream example that I've heard somewhere in Gaia. And here it goes. Level 1 is where we believe we have to work hard to get our paycheck, put gas in our car if we have a car, and finally go to the store to buy ice cream. Level number 2. You have a desire for ice cream, and all of a sudden a friend stops by and offers you ice cream, and that's when you manifested a synchrony that shows up. We called this level coincidence. Comment down below coincidence if this has happened to you. Level number 3. You have a desire for ice cream. So you go to the freezer and voila, there's ice cream in there. You don't remember buying ice cream, but yet there it is. Level number 4. You have a desire for ice cream. You open your hand and there it is. Now this level number 4 is pretty challenging to get to. This is how Jesus turned water into wine. Now, level number 5. You have a desire for ice cream and you realize that the ice cream and you are one. Yeah, it's not that fun. That's when you realize that all is one. So, comment below with the highest level 1 through 5 you remember experiencing so far. Oh, and also, I would love to know the story behind it as well, please. Do you perhaps want to know the deep meaning? Well, we are creatures creating our experience, our reality. And quantum physics is realizing how magical we really are. But the way you could get to these levels, most important is that you have to realize that you need to believe that this is all true, all one energy and consciousness. One, understand that it is all energy, and our thoughts, beliefs will give rise to our emotions, which is energy in motion. This is what creates particles, matter. Okay, how do you manifest fast? By being grateful with that which you already have, your ideal desires at this moment, and then you'll become the magnificent attractor that pulls your desirable stuff towards you to make your ideals come true. So, it's time for action. Action. The best way to practice from start 1 is detach yourself from the energy, drama, distraction story. For example, step back from your reality and examine what you do not want in your daily life. Gather evidence to support your belief. For example, connect with what you want. Do research. Connect with people that are already where you want to be and know more than you. Images, practices, and awareness. Change your reality story. Imagine a different story. It will come to life. So for example, talk it, see it, feel it, live as if you're in that story every moment. Have faith. For example, me with green grapes. They remind me of richness. They remind me of the Greek Romans. Sometimes I sit and I imagine that I am in an elegant vacation and imagine I'm there. So what you're doing here, if you haven't noticed is that you're shifting the inside, and your perspective will shift within too. It's just how the universe works. The universe makes your wishes come true, and if you are in a good mindset and you set your intention, the universe will have no choice than to find ways to connect with your desires and make your desires come true into your reality. The universe knows its ways, and it's a wise universe. Let the universe know, hey, this is what I want, this is my intention, and I am working towards it, and I already have it, and I am already grateful, and I am already happy, and it has no choice than to make your desires come to life. Chain Diner once said, when you change, the things you look at change. So here are 7 steps to manifest anything you want. Yeah, of course, including money. Step 1, get clear on what you want. Step 2, ask the universe for what you want. Once a day makes your request clear and clear. Step 3, work towards your goals. Step 4, trust the process. Step 5, receive and acknowledge what you get. Step 6, keep your vibrations high. Step 7, clear your resistance. So, now you know how manifestation works and the best strategic strategies on how to apply it to your daily life. But you might not be able to do this thoroughly if you do not know in what ways to do it. Oh yeah, there is a lot of ways to manifest. So I created a follow-up video where I share with you guys some course of action, styles, methods you can use to manifest faster, including the ones that I use daily. So stay tuned by subscribing. Hit that notification bell to stay on track. Curious, how do you feel about manifestation now and how it works and all that jazz? Leave your strong arm emoji in the comment section below if you feel strongly about it, and if you do not have emojis, don't worry, comment the word strongly down below. And if this video was super helpful for you, be sure to share with your friends and hit that like button below so I know to make more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it, and you'll be seeing me soon in this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.